tell me why you're here protesting today?
I just think it's really unfair what has happened to all of the amazing teachers that have been working there for 6+ years, a lot of them. They've earned their rights for holiday, for breaks, for sick pay, and taking away those things like at the drop of the hat, I don't agree with it. And I don't think that teachers should have to pay the cost.
And when this all came about, how stressful for you was that when you were trying to work and teach people at the same time?
Incredibly stressful going in and having meetings and getting onto the union about our situation. It was incredibly difficult going on and teaching classes afterwards. I know the students felt the pressure from teachers. It was incredibly difficult going in afterwards, and it went on for months. And we were expected to give the same level of teaching that we had been before. So yeah, it took a toll on a lot of people's mental health.
And can you just explain what the new contract was offering? Like, what is the actual difference in pay that teachers were being offered?
Yeah, so it was a starting rate at €16.50 an hour. Previously, the starting rate was €19 an hour. Some of our older teachers had been working there 7+ years, so they would have been on 21 an hour. So a massive drop in pay, as well as change to lunchtime pay. And prep pay would have been taken away also.
And I think was your lunch hour reduced also?
Yes, our lunch hour was reduced and lunchtime pay was to be taken away.
We were being paid €20 an hour for 37.2 hours. Right? He wants to reduce the wage to €16.50 and reduce the number of hours he pays us as well. So if you were to kind of translate that back to the number of hours and use that same rate, the factor comes out at €14.50, €1 above minimum wage. Absolutely, it's something in the right rate. It's a wage for people. It puts financial hardship on people. People rely on this. The wages here are not good or not great. Like they were kind of okay when the wages went up. It's the reason why it came back in 22 as well. And also we got to think about the way inflation has eroded the spending power of this. And this guy comes in and do this. And there is absolutely no necessity to do it. I mean, the definition of the redundancy is the replacement that he's done with all of the teachers. 100% replacement with cheaper staff. And there is absolutely no difference between the job they did and the job that we do. And by definition, a sham redundancy.
How stressful has this been for all the teachers?
It's been incredibly stressful. I mean, people are very, very upset. And, the thing is, if you do teaching, there's a lot of engagement with people. It's very kind of emotional in a lot of ways. And particularly the students are fantastic as well. Like there's a great rapport between ourselves and the students. In academic reach in Harcourt Street, there's a great rapport between the teachers. Very supportive. We had an excellent management before, who was on really high standards when it came to the teaching. And so there was a huge level of disappointment.
You can replace us. You can raise us. You can replace